All batteries carry a safety risk. Lithium-ion batteries are safe. However, with millions of consumers now using this category of batteries in electronics, vehicles and industrial tools, failures may become more prevalent. Lithium fires are typically caused by a short circuit within one or more of the battery cells due to puncture or some sort of damage. This can happen if they are overcharged or completely drained before recharging. Lithium batteries can generate heat that ignites the chemicals within the battery, causing problems in the adjoining cells. This can lead to a condition known as thermal runaway. Flammable and highly toxic gases are released and can also ignite. There were 49 major recalls of lithium-ion battery product types between 2012 and 2017. In a high-profile case, 2.5 million smartphones were recalled by Samsung after reports of overheating, exploding and self-combustion. On average, the London Fire Brigade attend 24 fires each week that have been started by chargers, batteries and cables. And with the global lithium-ion battery market looking to grow from 36.7 billion in 2019 to 129.3 billion by 2027, lithium-ion fires are likely to become more common. Until now, there has been controversy over which, if any, fire extinguisher is suitable for lithium-ion battery fires. Introducing Firexo. Firexo puts out all fires fast. In 2020, we tested Firexo on lithium-ion fires using a standard Firexo extinguisher. Test 1. Pass. Firexo was able to extinguish the fires with ease. This test data will also hugely aid and accelerate Firexo's work in motorsports. Test 2. Pass. Most top motorsport teams, including Formula 1 and Formula E, are increasing the use of lithium-ion batteries in place of standard batteries due to their lightweight, eco-friendliness, rechargeability and efficiency. Protect yourself. Firexo.